Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to paste a signature into a PDF file. First, you'll need to prepare your signature. Sign a blank piece of white paper, ensuring it's clear and legible. Then, scan or take a high-quality photo of it. Crop the image tightly, leaving about 1/8 of an inch of white space around the signature. Save it as a PNG or JPG file. Now, let's add your signature to the PDF. Open your document with a PDF editor like Adobe Acrobat Reader or a similar program. Look for a Sign or Fill and Sign tool, usually found in the toolbar. Click on it and choose the option to add an image or a custom signature. Then, simply browse your computer and upload the signature image file you prepared earlier. Once your signature is on the PDF, you'll need to position and resize it correctly. Click and drag the signature to move it to the exact spot where you want it to appear. Use the small corner handles to easily adjust its size, making it larger or smaller. Aim for a natural fit, ensuring it looks proportional and aligned with the document's text. Finally, it's time to save your signed PDF. Take a moment to review the entire document, confirming that your signature is perfectly placed and looks correct. It's a good practice to save the modified PDF as a new file, perhaps adding Signed to the file name. This way, you'll always have the original document untouched. Choose a descriptive name for easy retrieval later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.